Everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Sienka. In today's class, I'm going to be showing you how to cut out sleeve and attach it to your tube top or your off-shoulder dress, your corset without sleeve, you know, all those sleeveless stuff that is off-shoulder, that is tube, you know. Even you can use this sleeve as a coat shoulder, even to your sleeveless dress. You can just attach it and it will just be a coat shoulder dress, you know. It's not only a strapless tube top that you can attach this sleeve to, but then you attach it to your sleeveless dress, it will just turn it into a coat shoulder, you know. This is what they call a coat shoulder, something that it will just open your shoulder here like this. So it can just turn that your sleeveless top, your sleeveless dress into a coat shoulder style. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and we're going to be doing a puff sleeve. Okay, for this tutorial today, you need less than 1 yard of fabric to do this. You don't need too much. Less than 1 yard of fabric should be enough for you. Then you'll be needing your elastic, and basically that's just the two things you'll be needing to create this sleeve today. Okay, so if you have not seen a tutorial on how we draft this corset, the link will be right there in the description. But it is very simple, very easy. In less than 1 hour you should be done. It's very beautiful, very crisp, clean, and you know, trust me when I say so. So if you're new to this channel, please kindly take a moment to subscribe, and to my old subscriber, you're all welcome back. Ensure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not clicked the notification bell, please kindly do that so that you can be notified when next I put up a tutorial. All right, so let's get started. For you to cut out the sleeve, you need to measure around your upper arm circumference. Just measure around your upper arm this way. Whatever you get, you cut a rectangle that is times 2.5 of that. Here now I have 13 inches for my upper arm. So if I multiply 13 inches by 2.5, that will be 39. So I'll cut out a rectangle that is 39 inches in width. Then the length will be 14 inches. So I'll cut out a rectangle that is 39 inches in width. Then the length will be 14 inches. And I'm going to cut out 2 cuts for each of the sleeves, okay? So I'll cut out 2. So what I'll do now is for me to take this to the sewing machine now, and I'll create an elastic casing at the upper part and also at the lower part. So you just fold it like this once, and then you fold again such that your elastic can pass through it. So you stitch this part and also repeat the same thing to the hemline, and then you do the same thing to the second one. Okay, so this is the sleeve. Like I said earlier, you're going to be folding the upper part and also the lower part. Fold 1/2 inch, and then you fold 1/2 inch again, or 1 inch, depending on the width of the elastic you're inserting. So you create your elastic channel. So the next thing is for you to insert your elastic inside the channel. So you have to wrap around your elastic around your upper arm, and then you're going to be cutting out 4. You know, you need 2 for each of the sleeves, so you cut out 4. Whatever you get, just cut out 4. I'm just going to be using my bodkin to insert the elastic inside the casing. So just insert the elastic inside the channel, both up and down. So if you insert the elastic to only the upper part of the sleeve, you have something like this, which is also very beautiful. Okay, so also tag it down so that it will not escape inside. So once you are done with the upper part, you also repeat the same thing to the lower part. So I'm done putting elastic at the two ends. So the next thing now is for you to close the side. Just place it together, right side to right side, and then you're just going to close the side with 1/2 inch. This is the sleeve. You can see how beautiful this is. Then you can just attach it to your sleeveless or tube top. Okay, so we're going to be attaching the sleeve now. So this is a sleeveless dress. We are going to be attaching the sleeve to this one first. So first you locate your underarm. Can you see the underarm? So it's going to be attached to the underarm. So you're going to match the seam joining of the sleeve together with the underarm's joining. Match the joinings together this way. Then you just tag it to the left and also you tag it to the right, 1 inch away from the center. Then just tag it together. Very easy to do. And it's always fancy, you know. So after tagging it together, this is what you have. Can you see? After tagging it together, this is how it looks. Can you see from the wrong side? Can you see our stitch line here and also here? Okay, so you just go ahead and do the second side, and voila, you turn your sleeveless dress into a dress with sleeve. Yeah, that's it. Now you have your dress with sleeve. That's what I'm telling you. So now it's going to just look like a cold shoulder dress. I'm going to wear it so that I can show you. So this is it. How cool. So you can even drag it a little higher if you don't want it to open too much. Just drag it. It's elastic, so it's going to stay. Can you see? And this is from the back. So you just mash up and voila, you have your dress with sleeve. Somebody shout hallelujah. Somebody shout. Somebody shout. Somebody shout. And you cannot even see your armpits, you know. You can't see your armpits even after raising your hand. You know. It's just going. So I'm going to take it out now and I'll attach it on the spaghetti strap bodycon. So I will be attaching it to this this other bodycon now. So this is it. First locate your side seam. Measure 1 inch to the left and then 1 inch to the right, the same way we did to the other one. And if you can also increase it a little further if you want, like 1.5. But I'm doing 1 inch on both sides. So first locate the side seam, then you measure 1 inch to the left and 1 inch to the right. You can also do 1.5, even 2 inches, okay? Match it with the side seam of the bodycon. Then you stitch together to that 1 inch point, just tag it. At the other 1 inch point, you also tag it. I'm going to be attaching this to the corset. To attach the sleeve, just locate your side seam here and then you just tag your sleeve. You just measure 1 inch to the left and 1 inch to the right. Then you just tag your sleeve this way. I'll just pin it. Okay, so that's the end of the tutorial for today. I believe this tutorial has been helpful. So now you can go ahead and attach sleeve to your tube top.